Good day. Happy Mental Health Awareness Week, Mental Health Awareness Month. Let's just make it a Mental Health Awareness Year. That's right. But first, let's get rid of some of these myths and let's talk about what is mental health awareness. The health of the mind. Why is that important? Well, this is what affects your emotional, your psychological, and your social well-being. When we say emotional, it's how you feel. Psychological, how you think. Social well-being, well, this is how you act. This is affecting how we interact with others, how we behave, and how we make our choices, our mental health. And it's affected by many things. There are many factors. There's biological factors, looking at our genes and our brain chemistry. There's life experiences, trauma, abuse, all this stuff mixed up will affect how we're thinking and how we're behaving. And it affects many of us. The most common disorders that we all know of, right? There's anxiety, depression, or eating disorders, substance abuse disorders, attention deficit disorders, ADD, ADHD. And don't be alarmed by the word disorder. It doesn't mean that it's bad or there's something wrong with me. Oh my God, I can't have a disorder. No, it just means something is out of order. And what is order? Well, order is our power. We have a superpower called order. Unlike other animals, we have the ability to plan and arrange how we use our time. And we want to do that creatively and constructively and efficiently to achieve our dreams. So a disorder is anything that gets in the way of us effectively and competently and productively achieving our dreams. And that's what we all want to do. And that's the importance of mental health awareness. It's understanding I'm not alone. I want to achieve my dream. And there are just some things in the way. How can I get them out of the way? Well, first we must observe the obstacles in our lives. Observe the obstacles in our own thinking. The errors in our own thinking. And the first might be, there's nothing wrong with me. Because there's something affecting us all. And that's the biggest myth about mental health awareness. There's nothing wrong with me. Yes, there is. Or I guess I should say, there's something wrong in your thinking that you don't need help. We all need help. We all need help. And to those who feel there is no help, hey, I'm with you right here, man. I feel you. I suffer from anxiety, and I think that is a key one, man, that's hitting all of us, at some level. And we're going to tackle them, man. We're going to tackle them in a series this week. We can keep it going for the month. Maybe we'll keep it going for the year. But mental health awareness is serious, guys. I want to achieve my dreams, and I want you to achieve your dreams. And there's no room for depression or anxiety and stress in achieving those dreams. Those are the obstacles holding us back, and we will not be held back. No, we're going to work together, together. No one's living in isolation. No one's living alone anymore. You belong, Be strong. You belong. Love someone today. Hey, subscribe to the page if you haven't already. You can check out more at Mark Drew Speaks on the Instagram. But it's Mental Health Awareness Week, and we're going in hard, man. No one is alone. We're doing it together. Peace.